Yo guys, what is up? Clark here, and today it is raining. As you can see, the chairs are wet. It's raining. It's rainy. See the sun. Yo guys, there is sun, but it is raining. You can clearly see the raindrops. There's sun, but look, it's raining. It is raining. It is actually raining, guys. As you can see, the image is kind of blurred. All because of the rain. There's actually rain over here. See? This is the rain from there. And then here's the sun. It's raining. It's raining. See that car? It's wet. My mom's car. It's wet. The floor, wet. The ground, wet. That car. Just come closer. See, look how wet it is. It's raining. Sun. I don't get it. I don't get it, guys. I don't get it. See, it's so wet. See, look at the blurred vision. I'm trying to put a raindrop over here. See that? If you guys can see the rain, good for you. Because there's literally rain everywhere. There is rain everywhere, guys. And the sun is out. I don't get life. See. It's wet. It's rain. Wet. Like literally everything is wet, guys. It's gonna rain. Like I'm just gonna